Welcome back to PPL segment here on FYI News 13 in your community. Melinda Stump is back. She's the Regional Affairs Director of PPL Corporation. And as we mentioned last week, she took over from Martha Hearn. So Melinda, thanks and welcome back.
Thank you for having us. We're delighted to talk today about lightning safety or storm safety. So I think it's a wonderful opportunity to get that message out because we are in the summer.
Yes, it's summertime and we have crazy storms all year round here in northeastern Pennsylvania. Sometimes when people think about crazy storms, they think about rain or they think about wind, but we really have to be concerned about lightning.
Absolutely. Lightning kills more than 50 people a year. So we encourage everybody to please go indoors when you see a lightning storm.
Some myths, some quick myths about lightning.
There are several myths, but I think the one that I'd like to talk about is that lightning never strikes the same place twice. And that is actually incorrect. Some high, pointly isolated places are hit multiple times. In fact, the Empire State Building gets hit about 100 times a year.
Okay, so it could be hit twice or several times, not just once, so that is a myth. What do we do if we come across down trees or down wires from these storms?
If you come across down trees or down wires, first I ask, please never go near those lines. You cannot be sure that they are not active. Also, you want to report that down line so that we can make sure we secure it properly. And you can do that by dialing 1-800-DIAL-PPL.
All right, now if you lose power because of these storms, you might want to get a portable generator, but there are specific things that you can do to make sure you're safe and that PPL workers are safe.
Absolutely. The first thing you want to do is make sure it's properly installed. You don't want backfeed current to potentially hurt one of our employees. And secondly, you want to make sure that you always operate it in an open area away from your home. Carbon monoxide is a potentially deadly fume that can accumulate in your home. And since it's colorless and odorless, you want to make sure that you operate it properly.
Some great tips by PPL. What are we talking about next week?
Next week, we're talking about how the improvements that PPL is making on our system to improve reliability for you, our customers.
All right, we're in your community right here on FYI News 13.